remember that I have put this course in three categories. Okay, how many?
Yes. Cheap cutting.
Three categories. Number one, dad, you have to practice grammar practice. Okay, you have to grammar practice.
Gra-
Okay, first you have to
Yes.
grammar practice. Understand? Number two,
Yes. Yes.
that is, you have to tell a story uh, that will be according to this grammar. Okay, and okay,
Yes.
second thing, and third thing is that you have to tell another story. Okay, another story, not this story, another story. Okay, which I will give you inshallah right now, inshallah. Okay, after some time I will give you. So first of all, I know that you know English, basic English, like pronouns and okay, and is, mr, was, were, like this. But
Yes.
I want that we will start from basic. Okay, from basic.
Yes.
That's why right now, inshallah azawajal, we will learn about is, mr, was, were, and will be. Understand? First lesson. So that is our that is our first
Yes.
lesson. We will learn about is, mr, was, were, and will be. Okay, so you know that uh, what is structure of is, mr, and was, were, and will be. Okay,
Yes.
first of all, we will take subject and is, am,
R.
and are. Okay, and after that object. After that object.
Object.
So, and this is for present. Understand that this is for present, and was, were for past, and will be for future. Okay, have you understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so is, mr, subject plus is, mr, and plus object. And there are some pronouns. You know that there are some pronouns like he, she, it. Okay, they, you, we, etc. Okay, so
Yes.
is will come with he. Understand? Is,
It's come with
yeah,
he.
is will come with he,
He.
with he, she, it. Okay, it, and any singular name, any name. Okay, so is will come with he, she, it, any name. Okay, please tell me again. Is will come with he, she, it, and any
Or an.
name. Okay, and are will come with they, you, we, and many names. Okay, are will come with they, you, we, and many names. Okay, have you understood? Okay,
Yes.
and am only will come with am, with I, with
I.
I. Okay, so you have understood all this. Okay, so right now inshallah as well we will practice. So let's practice all these pronouns with is, mr. Okay, so uh, right now I am asking you in Hindi. Okay, and you have to translate in
Yes.
English. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. वो एक डॉक्टर है.
They are doctor.
नहीं, वो एक डॉक्टर है. वो सिंगल.